according to Dianna, no.
No, come on. 80% of people would say.
I think I'd go for I'd rather be
I
deaf,
think I would.
I would.
I think I would, right?
Yeah.
And I would miss music, and you know, and you can. I watch things with subtitles anyway now, with the sound down, because not the sound down, but you know what I mean. You're not listening to them. You're reading the subtitles. I watch everything I watch now. So yeah,
that's true. You can get around deafness other than music. You would miss music, I suppose.
I would miss it, but what the only way I think that you can close your eyes, but you can't close your ears. So at the end of the day, I suppose you've got, you know, things annoy me that I hear them more than I see them. So that might be, you might have peace and quiet.
What's the most annoying noise to you?
Oh, everything annoys me. Every noise annoys me. The most annoying noise.
What's the worst noise that you could hear?
I'll tell you. We went to a restaurant, right?
Eating.
No, right. Well, that's work. That's bad, right? But a waiter I could hear him across that he kept going like that.
Oh yeah.
And I was going to Jane, fucking cunt. Like that. And she was going, I was going, fuck it, I'm going to tell him. She was going, don't tell him, he doesn't know. I was going, fucking cunt. Every time he did it. I wanted
it sounds like quite a nice night out, though.
It was a fucking... I know.
Apart from that.
I know. And so I was waiting for it, and it was like a busboy. It was in America, and he was sort of standing around, and the waiter was really nice, and then you know, he'd just sort of come out and he'd stand by there and go, you fucking cunt. I want to stab him if he does that.
How's everything with your food? It's just this fucking cunt is a problem.
Disgusting fucker. You fucking know, there's no one to... Oh, you fucking do that, you filthy pig. I don't even want you... You fucking dirty...
Suddenly we're on Derek and Clive.
Yeah.
Honestly, that is the worst fucking thing. Because it's an affront to me, right? It's an horrible noise anyway. But the fucking arrogance of doing it anywhere... even somebody behind me walking on the plane would go... I'll turn around and give him a fucking dirty look, you fucking pig. Right? But as a waiter doing it in a restaurant when I'm fucking eating... Haven't anyone told you don't fucking do that, you fucking pig?
I mean, you've made your point very strongly, yeah.
Yeah, so that probably that noise.
So there's your answer.
So what's your...
Yeah. Also, car alarms are annoying.
yeah, that annoys me. Music next door, just people fucking... just
almost every noise
people... But I've got to have someone to blame, because if it's a fucking thunderstorm or an earthquake, yeah, fair, whatever, right?
It's an inconsiderate noise,
But
isn't
if it's
it? Yeah.
someone who's just, you know, got a fucking... They're parked outside in a van and they've got fucking music up loud, I go, what are you doing? Why is it that loud? Fuck off! Don't sit outside my house doing that, you cunt.
I mean, again, yeah, you've put it very nicely, I think. Just don't be such a cunt.
Yeah.
Wow.
The Verve, Bittersweet Symphony. The Verve, Bittersweet Symphony. What a great track.
Very much like the bittersweet feeling of having a lovely meal, but some prick is making a...
I know, it's the thing that annoys
noise.
me most. That sort of lack of fucking awareness in people, just being fucking pigs and ruining my peace and quiet. There's always someone who ruins it. I could be in a lovely empty restaurant and then two people come in and there's nothing wrong with them, they're just two people, but they sit too near me. I go, why the fuck have they put them there?
That happens a lot, doesn't it?
Why did they put them there? Fuck off, I was enjoying this.
I imagine if you give that this sort of vibe at the time, the people would, you'd think they'd realise it quite
and people
quickly,
come out in the cold,
probably.
they're always sniffing. Right?
Yeah.
I have to have a couple of drinks quickly so I can cope with people fucking sniffing around me.
I'm surprised you go to restaurants, Ricky.
I know.
It might be time to just...
Well, in New York, everyone eats out, so I eat all the time. Here, I go to a restaurant like once every 3 months, and it's not a problem. But I have to find certain tables in restaurants like booths and usually.
I love a booth.
I
love a booth.
Yeah, I love a booth.